And in today's video, micro wind jammer for your smartphone, for your camera, for your GoPro. We're going to use a GoPro. Bam. Ho ho. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Trimming time. Looks nasty, but it is what it is. Wiatr. Ale wieje. GoPro. Wow. GoPro. GoPro. Come on, what are you doing? GoPro. Conclusion, it looks nasty. But it works, kinda. Well, it works better than the whole foam noise cancellation enclosure, which is terrible. This is way better. Looks awful, but it works. That's what it is. And buy yourself a correct size, because mine is too goddamn big. I already ordered the correct size, so link in the description. Check it out. You will love it. GoPro Mini, and in the next video, 120 frames per second test after the firmware update, which was really good. Bye.